Hey there, Tonya, Vann here, and I wanted to show you my HB Naturals star bonus payments that I've gotten so far, how it works. It's been pretty amazing for me. In my first month with HB Naturals, I've already made $1,500 in commissions, and a big part of that has been through the star bonus program. And I think maybe people don't fully understand it or know what it is or how to utilize it. So I figured I would just share you what I'm doing and how it's working for me. Okay, so we're in my back office. You can see my commission balance listed there. I've been in this for a month, and because I'm on the HB Vitality team, I already have 222 consultants in my downline, and I've personally placed looks like 29 consultants. Now, if you look here, I have ranked to 1K Silver Executive, and the other thing I wanted to show you is my commission, which you can see right here. So this is this month and last month commission earned. For last month, it was $469.71. I actually started on like the 21st or 22nd of the month. And then this month, it's $1,069.34. So doing pretty well there. And a lot of it is this star bonus. So if you go under my team, and then star bonus, you can see here, this is your star bonus teams. So for mine, it fills in as you complete them. So I've already completed my level 1 star bonus, and I have 2 people there. For level 2, I have 4 here, and then level 3, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, level 1, those are people who have ordered 100 PV order, all in one order, from me. So on this page, I have 2 people. Now, you can see here I have 6 pages. So that means if you go all the way to the 6th page, I have up to 2 there too. So that would be 2 times 6, that's 12 of those star bonuses that I have received. And for every 2, I earn $50. And then on my level 2, this would be for the person that I signed up, on the person under them. So the person I signed up had, every time they sell 100 PV order, then that counts as a level 2 star bonus for me. So I have 4, and then if I go to page 2, then you can see I have 3 more. So I have 7 of those. And for that, for every 4, you get, or I get, a $75 bonus. And then for the level 3, so far I have 4. And for this, for every 8, you get a $100 bonus. So for this is me. So when I get 2 people with a 100 PV order, that counts as a star bonus, and I get $50. And then if you think about it, it's like for every person that I sign up, if I get them to do the same thing, so they each get 2 people, then I get another $75 bonus. And then if they do the same thing and they each get 2 people, then I get a $100 bonus. And you can just keep duplicating this star team, I guess you could call it, over and over. So for me, it's not quite working out exactly that way. It's not like every person I sign up is doing this, but that's why I'm doing this video. Hopefully everybody will learn and start to do this and duplicate it, and then it'll help all of us. So you can see so far, this is how mine is looking. And so it just fills out, like once this page fills out with these down here, then I'll go on to page 2. And then I'll start filling out these down here. Just like mine on page 2 here. Once I get this next one here, then I'll go on to page 3, and it'll start filling these in here. So the reason I have 6 pages here is because I have 2 all the way to 6 pages. Hope that makes sense. So that is how the star bonus works. It's pretty cool. So I moved over here, but just to let you know, like, how am I doing these 100 orders? But the way that I am doing this is really through selling the love boxes. That is, to me, something that I'm really passionate about. I think they're great. They're cute. They're fun. It's a great way of being a product of the product because you're using a lot of the different products. You're using some of the essential oils. You're using the Vitality. You're using the Slimmer. It's just a great way to try a lot of the different products and to get the best results. So to me, those are great to start out with. The love boxes, or like the weight loss pack, or the healing trilogy, or the Vitality pack. Those are the main things that I'm recommending for people, and that's what I myself am also using. And we put it on auto ship, so we're getting the $10, $25 gift cards each month that we get our auto ship. And you just do that and you're automatically set up for the star bonus for every 2 who also do that. So if you do that and you set up the people that you bring in to do that, or to place 100 CV orders, then you are sure to be able to get these star bonuses going, and you'll definitely see financial residual income coming in through your business. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. God bless. Hey guys, I wanted to walk through my HB Naturals website with you. I figured it would be a good way to just kind of show you some things. So the quickest and easiest way to get there is to type hbnaturals.com/ your user ID, or if you've changed it to something else, then it would be that. I put mine as healthy as hot. It makes it easier for me to be able to log in and tell people what it is. So now I'm at my website. This is where people they could click shop and shop, or they could click free membership, set up their own free membership and shop from themselves, which is always better. That's really what I try to encourage. If they just click shop, then you earn 50% retail commission, but they are not added to your downline. And that is always a benefit, is getting them added to your downline in case they decide they want to work this as a business, which also helps them because you can even earn residual income as a customer, which is amazing. And if you're using the products, then you definitely should do this and set up your own free membership. So this is where you can do that. You can see testimonials, all of that. Also, here up at the top, clicking those 3 lines, you can see about us, the products, the love stories, testimonials, rewards as a customer, member rewards, gift cards, incentive plan, all of that, okay? So that is the website. Now I'm going to log in. So you would just click on member access, and then you're going to type in your username and password here. Mine's already in here, so just gonna log in. And this is my back office. Now, if you want to change your username like I did, then you just go here to account. No, I'm sorry. You go to business, and then you go to marketing tools, and then you go to change site name, and that's where you can change it. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. So back on the dashboard here, this is where I would click to purchase products. You can see there the MRP balance. This is kind of like a rebate, kind of like Kohl's Cash if you think about it. This is from my 2 auto ship orders. And so I got $5 and $8. So I have $13 total there so far that I can use and when I'm purchasing products towards the purchase. The gift card program This is, you can purchase gift cards here, or as you'll see, I have gift cards available because when I do my love box on auto ship, I get 10 $25 gift cards. So right now I have 27 available, and all I have to do is click send email, and that will let me email the gift card to someone. So if I click send email, I just type their email right there and hit send email, and that will send them the $25 gift card. So those are the gift cards. And then under manage auto delivery, this is where you would go to do your auto delivery. And you just click manage auto delivery. And this is how you want to order your love box or your weight loss pack or the healing trilogy pack or whatever. If it has 100 CV, then you're good as far as setting yourself up for the maximum commissions. And you want to get others to do the same. And that will also help you earn star bonuses. So I have mine set up. This unicorn love box is really cool. That one is 200 CV. But I have it as the essential oils love box. I actually just did that to get it. I'm not going to do that as an auto ship anymore. So I'm going to take that off right now because I don't want to do that again for next month. They've already processed it for this month. I'm going to put it as that for the next one. I don't know for sure if I'll keep it as that. I'll show you what I usually do though, but for now I'll do that one because I would like some samples. But usually what I do is the Slimmer Love Box, these here. Either the Slimmer Love Box or the Slimmer Love Box with Black Seed or the Slimmer Love Box with Tone. So anyways, once you have it selected, you gotta scroll all the way down and you want to make sure you've got the right data in there. If you're ordering it that same day, then you would just put that date and hit continue. It'll always process the next day. But if you're doing this, as it says here, after the 25th of the month, then it won't process until the following month. So keep that in mind when you're putting this date in here. So I'm going to click continue so I at least have it set for the slimmer with samples. If I decide to change it, I can go in and change it later. Okay, so then next you can see your auto, or also with the auto delivery, you can change your auto delivery date just by clicking that or canceling it right there as well. I will never cancel my auto delivery for many reasons. I will always keep it at least 100 CV. Okay, I am back. So I'm just going to show you this way. My phone's not cooperating. So you can see too on your dashboard, it gives you a lot of great information. A lot of times people don't even pay attention to this, but hbnhelp.com is for knowledge and support. Just basically you can ask questions. So if you go there, you'll see all of these help topics, and it pretty much has most of your questions that you have answered for you. And you get to it right here. And then news to know. This is announcements, promotions, current newsletter, all of that. Join the fun. This is the Facebook product testimonials group. Make sure you join that. You can go in that group and then you can just type in a product name or a ailment maybe that you're dealing with, and you can get testimonials on that. And it's a Facebook group. And then the consultant training group on Facebook, if you click this link, it'll take you there. You want to join that group as well. They have lots of great information there for consultant training. And then the products. And anyone can join this group because, to be honest, we all start as wholesale customers. And then the minute we get one order of 25 PV, we become a consultant. So if someone uses your link and they set up a free wholesale account and they place an order, you become a consultant. All right, then here it talks about the new products and love boxes and just kind of highlights and features that. And then here is the current call schedule, which is super important. These are all of the weekly training calls that you can hop on and the links. Every week they have a team training, a coffee talk, and an opportunity presentation. If you want to share this opportunity with other prospective friends or customers so they can learn more about this business, then you can invite them to an opportunity call or an opportunity presentation, I should say. All right, so that's all right there on your dashboard. Also over here on the right on your dashboard are these websites. These are all your different websites. So this is the main one that I have been using, but check out all these other ones depending on the purpose that you're talking to someone about. So like the listen then order is great. The hemp ones are great if it's a CBD type of customer. Love box shows all the different love boxes. If you know for sure the person is interested in getting a love box, you could send them to that website. The Go Clean and Lean is amazing. That has the Slimmer Challenge on it. It also has the liver cleanse, the 3-day liver cleanse on it. So all these, the Slimmer and Hot is a fun one. And then that's your retail only site, which I really never give out. So that's all there as well. Whoops, let me get logged back in here. Okay. And then under HBN Library, you can go to Documents. This is a lot of the stuff we saw on the HBN Help, but they're all right here as well. So I use this a lot too, especially these product information pages. These are all the products. So if you click on one, let's say we want to know about body. It tells you the product summary, all the details about the product. And this is good to send to people or to post if you have a Facebook group. So that's it for this video. I will come back and show you my Facebook group and how I'm utilizing that to get new customers and then new consultants on my team. All right, guys, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.